This is the third episode, and here we'll work on the CSS. First, I want to add some content using p tag. So open your code editor, open src, components, and open the component which we had created in our previous session. After s2 tag, add the p tag and some content. You can check the preview and we can see content over here. Now let's add the CSS. I will show you two different ways to add CSS: inline CSS and external CSS. To use the inline CSS, in the p tag we can use the style attribute. Now all the CSS properties can be added just like the object. For example, let's add color. You can add the value of the color. And if the CSS properties contain two words, for example max weight, you can use camel case just like this one. Now let's add one more property, margin. Once done, check the preview. You can open the developer tool, and on the right hand side you can see all our CSS has been added. Now let's add the style using external CSS. So again, in this p tag we can use class name, and you can add any class name over here. I would say large. In app.css we can use that class name and we can add any CSS property. Let's add font size 18px. Check the preview again, and this time you can see the font size has been increased. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll display the data. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.